This is an unboxing of the 2025 Apple MacBook Air 13-inch laptop with a M4 chip. Built for Apple Intelligence, it's got a 13.6-inch liquid Retina display, 16 gigabyte memory, 256 gigabyte SSD storage, 12 megapixel center stage camera, Touch ID, Starlight. So we're going to open this right now. All the specs and everything are on the back. And let's see what we have in the box. Start here, of course, with the MacBook Air. We'll just open that up and see what it looks like. Oh, it's clicking on. Okay, didn't mean to do that just now. We'll do that a little bit later, setting it up. So that, and of course we have a power cord here, and then the booklet, which I don't even know what's in these things anymore. Probably the warranty, and the adapter. I think it's a 20 watt adapter. No, 30 watt. So there you go. All right, we'll be back to set it up in a bit.